Welcome guys to this tutorial. In this video I will be talking about the categories of your YouTube videos, how to change the categories in existing videos, and how to change the default setting for your future video so that you would not have to change it every single time. So how to set up those default settings, and this is very useful because you will make sure that YouTube assigns the right category for your video, and that will be used for advertisers when they will want to select the different videos they want to advertise their products or services on. So it's very nice thing to do, and it's very easy thing to do. So let's start with the default setting for new videos. Here I am in the studio. Then I would have to go to settings, and you will be able to see the different options here, and I will go to upload defaults. Go to here, you can see some of the upload defaults I have selected at the moment. Go to advanced setting and you will be able to choose a category. So choose the one that is most appropriate for most of your videos. If let's say you have you will be making videos from two different categories, I would suggest that you would select here the category where most of your videos would fall into, and just remember that when you will be uploading to your different category the videos, you would have to change this default setting. So for me it's how to and style, and that is selected. Now for individual videos, you can go here into details, and let's wait a second to open up, and there will be also advanced setting as well. Here in the basic, this is just like the description, title, and so on. Let's go to more options, and you can see the category right here. I can change it as well. In case you would need to change the category of many videos, you can do that as well. So you can select, for example, two. You can press you can also press here to select all, and select all of the videos, for example, and you can press edit category. This will open up and it will say new value, and you can select again which category your videos will fall into. So I hope that this tutorial is useful. Remember to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more videos about technologies and how to stuff, and see you guys in my next video.